Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Learning Never Ends. Hope you all are well and have vaccinated. Today we will discuss about a topic, that is chemical properties of acids and base. In my previous video I have discussed about physical properties of acids and base. So in this video we will discuss about the chemical properties of acid base. So the first chemical properties of acid and base is what will happen when acid reacts with metals. Okay, so give an example. Acid like HCl. HCl is a hydrochloric acid, or you can say H2SO4 hydrochlor. It's a sulfuric acid. So when acid reacts with a metal like zinc, Zn symbol होता है जिंक का. When acid reacts with metal, then what will it happen? H2 plus ZnCl2. It means when acid reacts with metal, then what will happen? And a salt is made and hydrogen gas is released. Take another example like sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid reacts with Mg, Mg is also a metal, that is magnesium. When acid, that is sulfuric acid, reacts with magnesium, then what will happen? MgSO4 means magnesium sulfate plus H2. Here salt is made and hydrogen gas. Okay, so by both the examples we have discussed what will happen when acid reacts with metal, then salt and hydrogen gas made. Okay, so it is the first chemical property of acids with metals. Now the second property of acids reacts with metals. Here we use metal carbonates. So acid, similarly HCl hydrochloric acid, and metal carbonates like NaCO3, Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, or H2SO4 plus Na2CO3. What will happen? It is both are the acids and both are the metal carbonates, that is sodium carbonate. So here H2O plus NaCl plus CO2. It means carbon dioxide is formed here. It's a symbol of exothermic reaction, or you can say releases. H2SO4 plus Na2CO3, then H2O plus again Na2SO4 plus what will happen? CO2. It means whenever metal carbonate reacts with acids, then what will happen? Acid plus, it's a summary, okay? Water, salt, both are the salt. It is also a symbol of common salt plus carbon dioxide. Got it? Next chemical property of acids when reacts with metal, hydrogen carbonate. So give an example. HCl is a hydrochloric acid. Here NaHCO3, it is a sodium hydrogen carbonate. Again I am saying sodium hydrogen carbonate, it's a metal hydrogen carbonate. कोई भी metal ले सकते हैं, Na, Mg, Zn, whatever you want. So what will happen? NaCl plus H2O plus CO2. Again same product will happen. These are the reactants and these are the products. Now H2SO4 plus MgHCO3 whole twice. See, now I am taking magnesium hydrogen carbonate. Here sodium hydrogen carbonate and it's magnesium hydrogen carbonate. So what will happen? H2O plus same MgSO4 plus carbon dioxide. So both the cases, carbon dioxide, salts, these are the salts, and water have products. So whenever acid reacts with metal hydrogen carbonates, then what are the products? Salts plus water plus carbon dioxide. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस कैसे पता चलेगी कि ये हाइड्रोजन गैस है? तो ये प्रोडक्ट ये प्रैक्टिकल्स में होगा, लाइक हाइड्रोजन गैस एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का आपकी लेबोरेटरी में मैम कराएंगी प्रोडक्ट. नाउ द फोर्थ केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ एसिड्स when it reacts with metal oxides. Metal oxide means ZnO2 or MgO2, MgO. These are the metal oxides. Again I am taking acids and metal oxides. What will happen? ZnCl2 plus H2O. Here MgSO4 plus H2O. Both are the salts and both are the water. It means whenever acids reacts with metal oxide, then salt and water happens as a product. So whenever acid reacts with metal oxide, then salts and water will be the products. So this is the fourth reaction, and then the last one is neutralization reaction. Neutralization means acid and base neutralizes each other to form a salt and water. It is also known as neutralization reaction. So हमें again and again लर्न नहीं करना होगा. ये रिएक्शन लर्न हो गई तो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन में यही सेम एज लिख सकते हैं. सो वेन एवर एसिड लाइक HCl, H2SO4 reacts with what? Bases like NaOH or KOH. What will happen? NaCl plus H2O, KCl plus H2O, sorry, K2SO4, because we have taken H2SO4, sulfuric acid, it's K2SO4. So what happened? When acid react with base, then it neutralizes each other to form salt and water. That's why it is also known as neutralization reaction. एक बार रिमाइंड कर लेते हैं. There are five chemical properties of reactions of acid and base. First one is when acid reacts with metals. So whenever acid reacts with metals, then it gives salt and hydrogen gas. The second property of acids are when acid reacts with metal carbonates. Whenever acid reacts with metal carbonates, in both the cases, so we have summarized that water, salt and carbon dioxide are the products. The third chemical properties of acids are with the help of metal hydrogen carbonates. So whenever acids reacts with metal hydrogen carbonate, it gives salts, water and carbon dioxide. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड लाइम वाटर कर देता है, ये इसका प्रैक्टिकल है. नेक्स्ट वन इज whenever acid reacts with metal oxides. Metal oxide means whenever metal reacts with oxygen, it gives metal oxides. So acid reacts with metal oxide to form salts and water. And the last chemical properties of acid with base, which is also known as neutralization reaction, because in this both the acid and base neutralizes each other to form salt and water. So it is also known as neutralization reaction, and it is very, very important for you all. So when acid reacts with base, then it gives salt and water. Okay guys, hope you all are getting my points. Thank you so much, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.